One of the most important techniques for manipulating text in Excel is the ability to extract specific portions of text. Excel has many text functions that would make it easy to extract a substring from the original text in Excel. Spaces are counted as characters. The write function extracts a given number of characters from the right of a given text string. It returns the specified number of characters from the right of the string. The arguments text, the text string that contains the characters you want to extract. You can enter the string directly in the formula or pass a cell reference. For example, pass hello world or cell A3, which contains the string hello world. Number of characters. The number of characters to extract from the right of the text string. If you omit, this is defaulted to 1. If the number of characters is not given, it returns the rightmost character. If number of characters is greater than the length of the text, write returns all the text. For example, the length of the text is 11 and number of characters is 15. It also works with the numbers as it treats numbers as text. Number of characters must be greater than or equal to 0. If number of characters specified is 0, blank is returned. If number of characters specified is negative, an error is returned. The left function allows you to extract a given number of characters from the left of a given text string. Works exactly like right, the only difference being the substring is extracted from left. The mid function allows you to extract a given number of characters from the middle of a given text string. The mid function requires 3 arguments: the text string, the character position in the text string from where to start the extraction, the number of characters to be extracted. In this example, we are starting at the first character in the string hello world and extracting 7 characters. Space is counted as a character. To extract 5 characters beginning from the 7th character, use the formula. If the start number is greater than the length of the string, the formula returns blank. For example, length of string in A4 is 11. The formula mid A4, 15, 5 returns blank as start number is 15. If the start number plus number of characters is greater than length of the string, the entire string is returned beginning from the starting number. For example, in this formula, mid A5, 3, 15, start number plus number of characters is 18, which is greater than 11. So the formula returns the entire string starting from 3rd character. Mid function returns an error if start number is 0. If start number is negative, if number of characters specified is negative. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.